Want to lose fat after 50 without starving yourself? You don't need strict diets. You just need the right meals at the right times. This 7-day meal plan is simple, realistic, and designed to help adults over 50 burn fat, balance hormones, and feel full naturally. Each day follows this pattern. High-protein breakfast. Light lunch with fiber and healthy fats. Nourishing dinner, not too late. Snacks optional, but smart. Hydration, at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Optional, green tea, ginger tea, lemon water between meals. Day 1. Breakfast, scrambled eggs, sautéed spinach, plus half avocado. Lunch, tuna salad with olive oil dressing and mixed greens. Dinner, grilled chicken, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Snack, 1 boiled egg or a handful of almonds. Day 2. Breakfast, Greek yogurt plus chia seeds plus berries. Lunch, lentil soup plus small slice of whole grain bread. Dinner, baked salmon, sweet potato, and green beans. Snack, sliced cucumber with hummus. Day 3. Breakfast, oatmeal with cinnamon, walnuts, and sliced apple. Lunch, chicken lettuce wraps with avocado. Dinner, turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Snack, herbal tea and a few almonds. Day 4. Breakfast, boiled eggs plus 1 slice of sprouted toast plus sliced tomato. Lunch, veggie stir-fry with tofu or shrimp. Dinner, grilled lean steak plus roasted carrots and salad. Snack, cottage cheese with flaxseed. Day 5. Breakfast, protein smoothie with banana, spinach, and almond butter. Lunch, chickpea salad with olive oil and herbs. Dinner, baked cod plus brown rice plus sautéed greens. Snack, apple slices with peanut butter. Day 6. Breakfast, 2 scrambled eggs plus mushroom plus half avocado. Lunch, chicken and veggie soup. Dinner, stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey. Snack, Greek yogurt or 1 boiled egg. Day 7. Breakfast, oatmeal with blueberries and chia seeds. Lunch, grilled veggie wrap with hummus. Dinner, baked salmon with asparagus and a side salad. Snack, handful of walnuts or green tea. This plan is gentle on your digestion, balances blood sugar, and supports real fat loss without starving. Comment below. Would you like a printable version of this plan? Like if you found this helpful. Subscribe to Prime Fit Flow, your guide for senior health, fat loss, and simple daily habits that really work.